Hello everybody, it's James Frisky here from J Music Records, and I am here with another moving headlight review video. So, I got here the Betopper LB150 moving head beam light, and I am so excited to show you guys what this light is capable of doing. So, as you guys know, I have my live show coming up March 20th, and this is the newest addition to my moving headlight collection. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you guys this light, all the cool features it can do, and my thoughts on it. So, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy and see what we got. I am so excited. There is nothing quite like unboxing a brand new moving headlight, am I right? Alright, so I open the box and first thing I see is a safety cable. Now this is amazing because so many of the lights that I buy don't come with safety cables, and I'm planning on hanging these lights, and you need a safety cable to hang these guys so they don't, you know, crash down. So yeah, I'm really impressed that it comes with this. We also have a lens cleaner, it looks like, which is really nice. You know, I've ordered so many lights and I've never received a light that has a lens cleaner in it. So you know what, thanks to Betopper for providing these. Because you know, these guys can get dusty and stuff, you know, and all the conditions I use them in, so it's great that comes with it. So you know, you got your manual, and of course your clamps, so you can hang it, which I will be doing. And then piece of foam on top here, and then woohoo! Here's the exciting thing, the light. Alright, let's open it up. So I see here I got a DMX cable. This is nice. It's great how these lights come with a DMX cable. And then of course we have our PowerCon cable. Everything you need right here. And then of course, last but not least, we have the light itself. Oh, 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 oh. Look at this bad boy. Ta-da! The LB150 from Betopper. Okay, so my first initial thoughts on this light is how like compact and small it is, which is honestly great. Because I have so many lights and I'm running out of storage. Like, I gotta transport all of these lights to a theater, right, for my shows. So it's really important that the lights are compact and small and easy to transport. And these guys, nice and lightweight, very easy to transport. And yeah, but this thing is powerful. Like, it's an 100-watt LED bulb in here, so it's small but powerful. So, taking a look at the light, we have the LCD display on the front, and then on the back we have all our ports. So we have our DMX in, which we can, and DMX out, so we can just daisy chain these lights together, which is really nice. I'm just gonna plug this into my controller down here. And then I got the PowerCon light, PowerCon cable for it. So this is to connect power. So again, you can link the power together if you have multiple of these fixtures. So you just plug in the PowerCon input, and then you just plug this end into an outlet. So let's power it up and see what happens. Alright, so I'm turning the light on, and let's see what it does. Alright, so it says resetting here, so it's going to go through its little warm-up mode. So yeah, so we'll let it do its little thing. Alright, and it's really fast. Okay, that's awesome. A lot of my lights, they take a while to turn on, to warm up. So that's another plus about this light, is how fast it turns on. Alright, so if we take a look at our LCD display here, we have a menu button, we have an up, a down, and then we have a select or OK button. So if we go into the menu, you can see we have a bunch of different options here. We have our address, click OK here. We can go up and down and select what address I want the light to be on. Just for simplicity, we'll keep it on address 1 for now. We can also see the run mode. So it has DMX mode, which is what I will be using to run the light in, but it also has a bunch of different auto modes, and this is really cool. None of my lights have, like, it says energetic, calm, romantic. That's really nice, because that means you can use this light without a DMX controller. So let's say you're a DJ at a club, or even you're just having like a party at your house and you want some cool lights, right? So if you want like a really fast, upbeat kind of mode, you can go to energetic and have it on energetic mode. It looks like this. And the cool thing with the auto modes is it kind of runs through a bunch of the different features that the light has. So it changes colors, it changes gobos, it strobes and stuff, so it kind of shows you a little bit of everything the light will do, which is pretty fun. It's nice that this light specifies like energetic, calm, romantic. None of my other lights do that, so that is really cool and makes it really simple for people who don't really know much about lighting to just like use this light without a DMX controller, like a party or something. And then we also have a sound mode if you want to run this light in like to light up in sync with the music, and it looks like this. So as you can see, it lights up in sync with the clap. We also have a manual control here. So again, if you don't have a DMX controller and you want the light to like look a certain way, do a specific thing, point to a specific object or whatever, you can click on that and we can control all the parameters here, from the speed, the dimmer, how bright it is, the strobe, what color we want it, Gobo, Prism, basically everything that we can control from the DMX controller we can control right on the light itself on this LCD display menu, so we don't even need the controller to operate it. Alright, so now we have it running in DMX mode. So I just have it plugged into my little controller here. So channel 1 is pan, so it'll pan left, right. Nice, nice. Then we have a pan fine. Channel 3 is our tilt, so up and down. Channel 4 is our tilt fine. Channel 5 is our speed, so if we want it slow, if we want it fast, we can adjust the speed of both the pan and the tilt. Channel 6 is our dimmer. Now keep in mind you do need to have channel 7 up in order for the dimmer to work. And the reason for that is channel 7 is the light on and off as well as the strobe. So if you want the light to be in like a normal dimming mode, you want channel 7 to be all the way up. So with channel 7 all the way up, we can now use channel 6 as our dim. And the really nice thing about this light is how smooth the dimmer is. I've had some lights that's kind of choppy when you're dimming 0 to 100, but this is super smooth, which is really nice and shows that this is a nice high quality product. Let's take a look at our strobe channel. So strobe channel is channel 7, and this light has a bunch of different strobe options. We have fast to slow, so if you want like a really fast strobe or if you want something more slow. The other nice thing about this light, it has some cool strobe effects. So instead of just strobing at the same speed, it'll do like a cool thing where I would call it more of like a lightning look. Like it's not consistent, which is really cool. Because if you want to go for like a lightning kind of look, like it doesn't just flash the same, right? It kind of flashes, then like does some different stuff. So it's really cool. There's a bunch of different strobe modes to choose from, which is really nice. There's a lot more variety on the strobe with this light than a lot of the other lights that I have. And then we have our color. So there's so many different colors on this light. So we have our white, we have our red, we have green, blue, yellow, a really nice orange I want to add. That's a really beautiful orange. Magenta, like a light blue, teal kind of look. Another green, another blue. This cool look. Like so many different colors to choose from. It's awesome. And then there is also a mode here where the light will go through all the different colors. So if you want to just like go between all the different colors, you can have it do that as well. So this light has a lot of different gobos to choose from, which is really nice. Let's take a look. So we have our open circle there if you want a beam kind of look. And then you have the line. You got a nice heart. The heart is really nice actually, because I do a lot of, you know, like slow love songs. Like Love's Like a Puzzle would be great to have this this heart gobo on. A lot of my lights don't have a heart gobo, so I think it's absolutely amazing that they included this. So Yeah, and they got a few other cool, funky little things. Yeah, lots of Gobos to choose from. Like there's a look for everything you could possibly imagine. So it's awesome. Yeah. So yeah, you can play around with all these. Oh, it's nice here. There's different size dots. So if you want like a really fine, really thin beam, you could use this smaller dot here. Or if you want like a bigger beam, you can use a bigger dot. So, and then of course if you want the Gobos to shake, it does all the shaking Gobos as well. So every Gobo that is included in the Gobo wheel, you can make it shake as fast or as slow as you like it. And then also if you want the Gobos just to go between all of them, you can have it do that as well. And you can adjust the speed of that if you want them to go by slow, or if you want them to go by fast. Right, then we have a Prism function. So there we go. As you can see, there's the Prism, and we can adjust the speed of that to rotate slow or fast, depending on the style of song that you are doing. So let's see the Gobos with the Prism. Ooh. See, I love these looks. The Prism looks so cool, and also looks really cool with haze as well. It's like all these floating images in the haze. But yeah, there's lots of different Gobos to choose from, and yeah, they look really cool with the Prism here. I really like these dots. Like these dots going slow here, even if we change the color to like blue or something. Oh, doesn't that look awesome? Yeah. So like, yeah, you can customize all these things and program it however you want to best suit your show. Woo! Then we can speed it up and combine the shaky thing. So yeah, you can combine all the different functions here to do some pretty cool wonky stuff.